This is Mike from Action Home Services, and today we're going to talk about what are the 10 benefits of installing a heated driveway system in Canada. First of all, no more shoveling snow. You don't have to do it yourself. You don't have to hire a company and hope that they will show up to shovel your driveway. You simply set an automation and you come out of your house and your driveway is clear of snow. Second of all, no more slips and falls. You will not have these icy spots on your driveway because electric heating system is going to melt it all away. Number 3, your driveway drains better and the surface lasts longer. Number 4, you don't have to use any de-icers or salt that can affect your driveway surface, can affect your shoes, your car, or your pet's paw. It also increases curb appeal and home resale value in the GTA, Toronto, Vaughan, or any surrounding area. You get an automated system control that you can use from your phone. You can simply set a trigger of what time you want your driveway to heat up. So right before you're ready to go to work, you have a whole driveway clear of snow. And once you come back, you can also set it up so it's clear again. You don't have to worry about snow again. Call Action Home Services, professional and reliable heated driveway installation company in GTA and surrounding area.